Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously we have done many of the videos about JavaScript and we have covered up many of the parts using JavaScript language, and I hope you all enjoy all the parts which we have covered yet using JavaScript, and we have covered up many of the tags, how to use these amazing tags using JavaScript. You have learned all the things which we have done yet. Now this is the another part of the JavaScript series which we are doing, or you can say JavaScript tutorial series which we are doing, and in this part we will be learning about the other tag which we have learned previously. Previously we have learned if statements, and now we are learning another tag which is called else if statements, and we will be building a project using this else if statements, and I will be telling you what the project will be using this else if statement. And if you just like this video, so remember to share this, and if you are just liking this, so also just like this, because when you are liking it gives motivation to me. And also subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing get notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. And you can also see my previous videos which I have done yet, because that will giving you help, because previously we have done many of the parts using JavaScript, and you can check that out, because that will giving you help moving forward when you are learning JavaScript language. And then I'll be moving forward, and I will be also making many of the other languages tutorial, like I will be making Java tutorial, HTML, CSS, like coding language tutorial, React tutorial, many other tutorials using many different languages. But now we are just doing this JavaScript tutorial series, and I'll be doing it in part, and I will be also making one video in which I'll be telling you all the things about JavaScript in only one video. But now I am doing in part so you can learn, and we are doing all the tutorials, or you can say all the part in the project based. So in this part also we will be learning project based thing, and we will be building a project based project using this amazing else if statements. So now we'll be starting with the video and seeing how we can just use else if statements using JavaScript. So like I've telling you, we will be just building the project of else if statement, and we will be using JavaScript to build this project. And we will be using the tag of else if statement. Like previously we have used if statement to build the project. Here today we are using else if statement to build our project. So now we'll be starting to build the project here, and we'll be seeing how to use else if statement in our project. So for building the project of else if statement, today we are building a Facebook post box using else if statement. Now before starting the project, I want to show you how is the project and how we are building it from start to end. So for building this amazing project, here we are using this, and now if I open, you can see this is the project which we are building here, and here this is the Facebook post box which we are building using amazing else if statement in JavaScript. So here we are just using these all colors effects like you are seeing here in the demo. So at the back you can see we are getting a beautiful bluish color, or you can say bluish gradient color here at the back. Then at the front we are getting the create post text, which is looking really awesome because it is having a really good font family. Then we are getting a HR line, and then at the back, or you can say at the border, we are just getting a beautiful border radius on our borders, and it is looking good. Then down we are getting a CN logo, and we are getting the same color like we are getting on our background. Then we are getting here the text. I've written my name. You can also write your name also if you want to write. Then here we are just getting friends. Now if you press this, it will be taking you to the select audience tag, and it will be asking you who can see this post. Your post will show up in newsfeed and all these things. Then it will be also asking you to select audience. Here I have not put the functionality of select audience, but if you press this button, you will be moving back to your post box. If I press, you can see you are on your post box, and you will be also seeing the icons like poll icons, and you will be also getting many other icons. You can see this. So here we are also getting the language change icon. Now if you write anything, one thing you can see here, when there is nothing on this post box, so it is having a disable post button. When I am writing anything, so it is having an enable post button. So I will be writing this is a new post like this. Now if I press this post button, you can see now the post has been gone because it had been posted to the Facebook here. So you can see this is the thing which I want to share. This is our amazing project which we are building here, and this is our Facebook post box here. You can see it is also having a hover effect, like blackish hover effect on the button, and it is looking good. So this is the our project, and we will be using JavaScript and else if statement tag to build this amazing Facebook post box here. So now we'll be starting to build this amazing Facebook post box and seeing how we can build this using JavaScript in else if statement. So for building this project here, you have to just do one thing. Here I will be opening my default VS Code text editor. Now when you've opened this text editor, here I will be doing one thing. I will be now just closing these all files which I have already opened. Now when you just close these all, make a new window here. So directly I will be opening new window, not new file. And then you have to just open this. Then you have to open the folder from desktop, and this is the Facebook post box here. And when you open this, here you have to move, and then when you are in this post box here, you have to just copy the starting code here of this post box. Then you have to delete all the tags from here and give it the name as index.html. Then you have to paste all the tags, and you can see we have just done that. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now erase this thing also, save, and then you have to just press Ctrl V. And when you've written this, here I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser to check it is working. So here it is. Now we are only getting the background effect and all the things has been gone here. Now when you're getting this, here I will be doing it side by side. So here I will be now just writing it side by side like this. Now when you're getting all this thing here, I will be doing one thing. I will be moving under the body tag. First of all, I'll be closing the body tag from here. Now when you've just closed this, here I will be moving down, and after moving down, here you have to just do one thing. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like diff. So here I will be now writing diff class which should be container. Then I will be moving down right here, diff class wrapper. Then you have to just write here a tag which should be like section class post. Now you have to save this. Here I will be reloading. So here you can see we are getting a box here at the back, and it is looking good. You can see we are getting a box here. Now when you're getting this box here, you have to do one thing. Here I will be moving down right here, header, and in this header I'll be writing create post like this. Then here when you've written this, I'll be writing form action hashtag. Then I'll be writing here div class, and then in that here you have to write content like this. Then here you have to save this and reload. So we are getting a create post at the top. Now when you're getting this, here I'll be writing image source icon slash logo.svg, or you can say logo.png like this. Then when you've written this, I'll be moving down right here, div class details. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to move down right here p tag, and here you can write your name. So I am writing my name. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class. Then I will be writing here privacy. Then move down right here I tag class fas fa dash user. Then I'll be writing here friends. Then I'll be moving down right here span. Then I'll be writing here friends. Save this, then reload. So here you can see we are getting this. Now when you're getting this thing, just here I'll be moving down right here I tag class fas fa caret, and then here I will be now writing caret down. Now when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here text area, and now when you've written this, here I will be writing erasing the name right here placeholder which should be what's on your mind. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing comma, then I will be writing my name here. Now right here this question mark, and when you've written this, here I will be moving after this tag. And now when you've written this, here I will be now just writing a tag which will be like spell check. Then I will be writing here is equals to false. So here I'll be writing, then right here required. So here I will be now writing required. It is not optional, so I'm not writing optional here. Now you have to move down, and then when you written this, here I will be writing div class. In class I'll be writing theme emoji. Then you have to move down right here image icons slash theme dot svg. Then when you've written this, you have to move down image source icon slash smile dot svg. So here I'll be writing, save this, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting all this stuff here, and you can see it is looking good here. Now when you're getting this thing, just here I will be moving in this tag, and then you have to write div class option, and then you have to move down in this tag. And then when you've written this thing, just here I will be doing one thing. I'll be writing here options. Now when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here p tag control z. Here I'll be writing p tag, and right here add your. So here I'll be writing add to your post. Now when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here ul class, and then here I will be writing here list. Then when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here li image icon slash gallery dot svg. Then when you've written this, I'll be moving down right here li image tag icon slash, then here I will be writing tag dot svg. Then you have to move down right here li image tag right here icon slash emoji. dot svg. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing li image tag icon slash, then here I'll be writing mic dot svg. Then move down right here li image tag icon slash more dot svg. Then you have to just move down right here button post, and then right here section, and right here class which should be audience, like this. Now here I'll be moving down right here header div class, and then here I'll be writing arrow back. Then I'll be writing here class which should be fa dash arrow left. Then when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here p tag, and then I'll be writing here select audience. So here I'll be now writing, then here I will be writing div class contact, and then I'll be writing p tag, and here I'll be writing who can see your post. Then when you've written this, here I will be closing this. Right here is span. Then I'll be writing your post will show. So here I'll be writing show up in newsfeed. So here I'll be now writing this. Then here I'll be writing on your profile and in. And when you've written this, here I will be writing and in search. So here I'll be now writing results. Now when you've written this thing just here, I will be now closing this tag, and when you've written this, here I will be moving down right here ul class list. Then I will be writing here li div tag, then right here class column. Save this, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting all this thing. Now when you're getting this, here I will be now writing div class, then I will be writing here icon. Right here I class which should be fa dash globe Asia, like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here div, and then when you've written this, here I'll be writing class details. Now here I'll be writing p tag public, then I'll be writing here span, then right here anyone. So here I'll be writing anyone, then I'll be writing on or off Facebook, like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be moving down right here div class video, then here I will be now moving here right here class active, then here I will be now moving right here div class column. Just you have to save this, then here I will be now reloading, and now when you have just done that, you can see we are getting all this thing. And now when you've written this thing, just here I will be now moving down after this tag right here div class icon, then here I will be moving right here I tag class fa dash user face user friends, like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down right here div class details. So here I will be now writing details, then here I will be writing p tag. So here I will be writing friends, then here I will be writing span your friends. So here I will be now writing your friends on Facebook. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing this class video, then save this and then reload. Now if I press this, you can see here nothing is happening because here we have not linked the file yet. So here I'll be moving down after this tag, then here I will be writing script. Then when you've written this, here our file name is like this one. So here you can see we have just written these all things, and now when you've just done with this, here I will be moving after this tag, and now when you've written these all things here, I will be moving under this tag. Then I will be writing cons container here, then right here is equals to document dot query selector. Then here I will be now writing this tag, and here when you've written this, I will be writing dot container, and when you've written this, I will be writing comma privacy. So here I will be writing comma privacy is equals to, then I will be writing container dot, then here I will be writing query selector, then here I will be writing dot post, then here I will be writing dot privacy, then here I will be writing comma arrow back is equals to container dot query selector, then here I will be writing audience. So here I will be writing dot audience, then right here dot arrow back. Then when you've written this, here I will be closing right here privacy dot add event listener, then here I will be writing click. Then when you've written this, write comma, and here I'll be writing is equals to move down, then right here container dot, then I'll be writing here class list dot add, then here I will be writing active, Then when you've written this, here I will be now moving here, close this, then right here arrow back dot, then right here add event listener. So here I'll be now writing this, right here click. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving, write this tag and then write space, move down, right here container dot class list, then right here dot remove, then here I will be writing active. Then when you've written this, close this tag, save and then reload. Now if I press, you can see we are just getting, but it is not looking good. Now we are styling this so we can make it good looking. Now when you're getting all this stuff here, you have to move at the top and you can see we are just getting all this thing. And when you're getting this here, you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving down after this tag. Then here I will be copying this. And now when you've just done that, you have to paste this thing. And after pasting this, just here I will be doing one thing, like here you can see we have just written these all things. And now when you've just done that, here you have to just do one thing, like here I will be moving down and here you have to save that, then reload. So here you can see we are just getting all this thing. Now when you are just getting this, here you can see we are just getting these all things. And now when you've just written this, here I will be now doing one thing, like here you are getting two diffs, then close this li tag, and here we have also closed this, and then you have to just build this li tag again. So you can see now when you just created this li tag, just remove li tag from here. And then when you've just done that, here I will be doing one thing else, like here you can see we have just written these all things. And now when you've just done that, here I will be now doing one thing else, like here I will be moving under this tag, then make a li tag here, and then you have to close this, save this, then reload. So here if I press, you can see we are just getting this thing. Now when you're getting this, here you have to do this one thing, like here I will be moving in this tag, then after moving here you have to close this thing. Now when you just close this, here you have to now copy this li which is written here. So here with the radio buttons I will be now copying this li tag. Now when you just copy this, you have to move down. After this, just you have to paste this and then right here friends. So here I will be now writing friends like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing user friends. So simply you have to move here, then right here user friends. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving in this span tag. Then in span tag you have to write your friends on Facebook. Then here you have to move down, and after moving down here you have to paste it again. Then after pasting here I will be moving, and you can see we have written this. So here I will be raising and then writing here a tag which should be like specific. And then when you've written this, here I will be moving in this tag. Then I'll be writing here only show to some friends. So here I will be now writing. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing as a user. So now when you've written this, I'll be saving this, then reload. So here if I move now, so you can see now we are getting all this thing here. So here we are just getting this pasted again. Now when you just paste this, here I will be now moving, and then just you have to paste it again. And now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now do one thing. Here I will be moving at the top, then I'll be writing here only me. So here I will be now writing only like this, then here I will be now writing only me. Now when you've just done that, you have to move at the top, then here I will be moving in this tag, then here I will be writing long like this, then I'll be moving down, then right here only. And when you've written this, here I'll be writing only you can see your post. Then when you've written this, here I'll be moving down, and then when you've written this, here I'll be writing cog. Then you have to just move down, and then when you've written this, here I will be writing custom. Then here I will be writing include and exclude. So here I will be writing include and exclude Facebook like this. Now when you've written this, or you can say friends here. Now when you've written this thing, just you have to save this. And after saving here, I will be reloading this thing. And when you reload, you can see if I move in this, so we are getting all this stuff here and it is looking good. So this was the project, you can see this which we have built here. And now here if I just copy this and if I paste it at the top here, save this, then move here, reload and move here in this, so you can see we are getting this. Now here when you are getting this thing, just here I will be doing one thing, I will be erasing this and then pasting this all thing here. So paste it. Then when you've written this here, I will be now moving at the top. Then paste this thing here, erase, then paste, move it at the back. Now here I will be raising it again, move down, move at the back, paste it. Then here I will be taking it at the back, then erase it, move down, then paste it and take it at the back. You have to save this, reload, now move, and you can see we are getting all this thing. Just here we are not getting this one. So here I will be moving in this tag again, then erase this, move down, paste at the back, save, reload, move, and you can see we are getting all this stuff. And this is our project here which we have built, and this was our Facebook post box which we have built using this amazing else if statement and JavaScript. So I hope you understand and enjoy how we have built this amazing Facebook post box using uh, next using JavaScript and else if statements. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, understand this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.